back. So I am actually vlogging today. Today is Sunday, and I have a lot to get done today for business. I'm actually also starting a new business venture, so I'm going to take you guys along today with me to see all that I'm going to do today. I also have some things to do around the house, to finish around the house. But right now I am actually going to go do some B-roll video shooting for several of the projects that I have to get done. As you can see, I have my ace with me, Soraya, my daughter. But we're going to basically just take you along with us today so you can see a life, how we do things in life. So we just got to the park, and it's like a very steep hill. I don't know if you can see it behind me. So now I'm just trying to find a nice little place where I can set up and basically start doing just a little bit of B-roll and some video stuff for some of my video content and some of the projects that I have to do that I'm working on. So just continue to work with me as we we get things done today. And do y'all see this hill? I've never been to this park, so bear with us because I'm just trying to walk around the park to see what's in the park, and see what would be like a real good shot place, like where I can actually shoot some video and go from there. So as you can see, it's so many hills, and I have on like these boots that have like a little hill on them, as you can see. So I'm just trying to take my time so I don't be, you don't catch me on the ground, okay, in like 2 seconds. But as soon as we set up, I'll come back. So I think I found a nice little area. We're going to see, but I think I did locate something. I like this bridge right here. So you'll see it as we start to film, but I think I found a nice little area. That's why I like parks, because I feel like you can find so many different places, so many things in a park, and it's like calm. Like it has a little waterfall and everything. All right.
See? See a duck?
Oh, I see it.
There's 2 of them. Some people use this.
So I have my tripod set up. That's what the camera is on right now, as you can see. And we're going to do a multitude of different like B-rolls, which is basically just like footage that you get that you can put into your video, and I'll show you all of that as the day goes on. So right now I'm just basically just trying to figure out where I'm going to do the B-roll and go from there. Next little scene, or my next little place that I want to do B-roll. Of course my daughter wants to get chips out the bag and eat them, of course, while I'm talking, so you guys can hear all of that. The life of a single mom, though, of course, But yeah, as you can see, I have my other phone with the handle that we can just walk by, and you'll see this in the B-roll. I'll put it up next, so just continue to watch.
Yeah. No, I really can't complain. Wave. Yeah. Everything is straight. Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat foot with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I patted my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it.
So I'm gonna shoot here at this little bridge, as you can see. I'm just gonna shoot going back and forth on the bridge. Cause I kind of like the way that looks, if that makes sense. So stay tuned as we continue doing just a little bit of filming today. So now we're going down the mountain. As you can see, we are like in the forest, but now we're actually going down. We are going back to the car now. So pray for me, because I hate going downhill. I hate coming uphill. What? I wasn't what?
You wasn't even recording the first time.
You know I'm tired, okay? So I wasn't even recording the first time, and I had all this good stuff to say, let me just say. But anywho, we just got done doing some B-roll from the park. As you can tell, I'm out of breath because it has very, very steep hills in that park, and I was not wearing the proper
We was wearing
footwear
boots. We were wearing boots.
to even be doing all of that. But she kind of talked me into walking up and down the actual trail, which I hadn't planned on doing. The things that you do for your kids, I tell you. So yeah, that's that. So we're done with the footage. Now we're going to actually stop, get something to eat. I'm going to go home. I have some chores and stuff to do, and I have some other stuff I need to get footage ready. I need to edit, so you'll see how I edit my videos, how I add music to it. I have some writing and stuff that I need to do. I have some brainstorming for my business I need to do. So today is very fun filled for sure, and I have a whole lot to do, so stay tuned. Go get some Chipotle. That's what Soraya wants. So when she said Chipotle, I was like, okay, I can definitely eat Chipotle. So that's where we're on our way to now.
Yep.
And I actually, before anything, need to go get some gas because my gas light is on.
Her gas tank is low. Yes.
Yes.
The car.
And my car is real good on. It tells you like within 50 miles, so I really just need to stop and get some gas. All right, so we just pulled up to the gas station for me to get some gas. I'm getting ready to do that. I hate pumping gas. I just wish I had somebody that could just come and literally pump my gas every single time I need a gas. Literally. Like, I hate.
It smells so bad.
I freaking hate pumping gas. And on top of that, what I really hate about it is having to touch the pump too. Because it's so many people that touch a pump and you never know where people's hands be. So I sometimes actually use gloves or sanitize right after if I don't have gloves. Because literally, yeah. Ugh.
It's disgusting. It's gross.
But anyway, let me go and start pumping this
the gas.
good old gas.
So, yeah, I'll just stay in the car. She's gonna take you guys with her. I like the sun, but I don't like the sun.
All right, so now that gas is pumped, Chipotle is up next.
Woo!
It is currently 3:04 p.m. So I don't know. For me, it's like time escapes
3:05 actually.
so quickly. It's crazy.
Mom, it's 3:05, guys.
Well, thank you very much. Always want to correct somebody. On my car, it say 3:04, but of course she had to come with the iPhone, the Apple iPhone time. Who asked us for that? For real, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Okay. Seatbelts. $15.95. Oh.
They're doing
And then
another
all
sale.
hand soaps. Oh, I might go get some hand soap.
Guys, see?
Bath and Body Works. They be having a good little hand soap too, and it be antibacterial, okay? And it smells delicious. So,
Guys.
and they only it's a sign outside that say they $3.95, $3.95. I think they're normally, I don't buy them, but I think they're like 7, 8, 10. I don't know.
Guys,
They higher than $3.95, so I'm about to go get some.
guys, my mom, she can't ever stick to a schedule. She always got
Excuse me, yes I can.
No, you can't. We was just supposed to get Chipotle, and you want to
Why
go
are you telling my
Bath and Body
business?
Works.
Nobody told you to be telling my business though. But, and I can't stick to a schedule when I want to. This why I only got one child. Now y'all see why people always ask me or tell me I need to have another one. She like 8 kids in one. She be trying to run stuff. I don't need no more. I'm good. I'm great. Just the way I am. She gonna tell me I don't stick to the schedule. Now what about her when she make a plan and she don't stick to it? Now do I say something about that? No. But anyway, we going in the Bath and Body Works and we gonna get some Chipotle. So currently in Bath and Body Works, as you can see, and just looking at stuff. Like I said, I just came to get hand soap, so that's what we're doing. So now we're in Chipotle, getting ready to get something to eat, and then heading home. Oh, they don't have brown rice. That's why.
Good thing you decided to switch it up.
No, she probably did that because she saw it wasn't no real rice.
Oh,
Sorry. Go ahead. You good?
you got any rice though?
Yeah. All right, so we got Chipotle.
We got a
We
little
got
bit
Bath and Body Works. So
and now we're heading home.
So we have made it back home. I am actually getting ready to start doing some cleaning, and then I'm going to get started on basically doing a lot of other stuff that I have to do as far as like video editing and looking into, I have to brainstorm for my business, so that's going to take a minute. But right now I'm getting ready to just clean really quickly and then start on everything else I have to do. Got finished cleaning or straightening up. I'm still doing laundry, but in between doing that, I am actually going to finish out my videos that I have to do. It is currently 6:58, as you can see. So I'm going to finish out the videos. First, I'm actually going to sit and pinpoint what I need to say in the videos. And then I'm going to do the videos. And then I'm going to do some brainstorming for my business. And I'll probably be up a little later today. Just getting it done. You know, it's time to boss up and level up and get stuff done. So that's what I'll be doing. But continue to watch and you'll see that process. Hi, my name is Angel, the owner of Own Your Serenity. I am also the creator of She Weeps and Life Speaks. Hey sis, welcome. My name is Angel. I am the owner of Own Your Serenity and the creator of She Weeps and Life Speaks. 2020 has been a game changer for me and has motivated me to birth She Weeps and Life Speaks, which is a program that assists women of all walks of life with breaking barriers, gaining a higher level of insight, and overcoming and conquering any of their obstacles. My focus is you. I knew that there was a mighty need for something like this for a multitude of women, and that is what encouraged me to birth She Weeps and Life Speaks. If this is something that resonates with you in your spirit, in your soul, tell me your story and let's journey together in love and peace as we walk and elevate together. So I'm going to end this vlog. We have literally done so much today, and I just recorded so many videos. I'm like exhausted. And for me, I have to because I'll get tongue-tied sometimes, so I got to restart. It's just a lot. So I haven't even got to edit them yet. I have to edit them. And therefore, I had to make some videos for my mentor. So I have to send those over to her. And then she'll get back to me on if she, what she likes, what she doesn't. But business is work. Okay? Entrepreneurship is work. And Soraya's over there playing a game with her cousin, so she's probably not going to end this with me. But just wanted to come and let you guys know that we're, as soon as I say that, look who came. So we'll see you guys later. I'll keep doing vlogs. I'll, look at the stats of how you guys like this video. And if you do like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a little comment. Let me know that you liked it so we can keep doing these type of videos. And we'll see you next time. See ya!
Bye!